Alright, so we're looking at Naturehike. It is the YL-05 aluminum folding chair. And we're just going to unbox it. It's different. I just did an unboxing for a different model of Naturehike chair. This one I think is an older model. I'm not 100% sure. So right off the bat, I like that it's shock corded. Oh, and this has got a heavier weight restriction. This is over 300 pounds. The other one is only 250. And I can see it's got a much thicker pole here. Alright, so let's see. I love the shock cords. Makes it go together really easily. Alright, and then let's see, so there's the top. Now this one does not have the bigger feet. The other one had option for a much bigger foot you can put on there in case you're on sand or snow or mud or whatever. So that's just which way is up. Always you find the logo. There's the logo. So the logo tells you which way is up. And we just put these in here. I found them easier to put together if you do the smaller ones first, because the last one you always have to give it a good bend, and the bigger ones are a little bit easier to bend. Oh boy, this one is a little bit tough. There's that. One more. So they all go together pretty easily. Alright, there. So very, very similar to the other one. The other one had two poles here. I'll do a comparison of them all. This one is wider too. It's a wider chair. It's still about 2 pounds. Okay. Oh, this one is tippier. This one is a little bit tippy back this way. So I don't know, it might be my least favorite of the 3 I've tried so far. Oh yeah, that's definitely tippy. I'm going back. So I got to be careful with this guy. Alright, that's better. It might have been just the way the feet were there. Okay, that's good.